tra la la tra la tra la la tra la la tra la tra la la.
All right, friends, so I'm going to walk you through the next part of our conversions, the one between moles and particles. So this was much like you guys did the passels to the pieces or the parts. A passel was 1,000 parts. In this case, a mole stands for Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. So every time we say the mole, this is what we're thinking about, Avogadro's number. So how do we use this to our advantage? Well, if we're trying to figure out how many particles of water there are in 3.65 moles, did you pick water for me as my example?
You know it.
Oh, thank you. 3.65 moles of H2O is what we're starting with. If my conversion is between a mole and particles, that means that below I would need to put moles of H2O so that these units will cancel out. What's equivalent to a mole of H2O? It's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles of H2O. Whoa. Crazy labels. All right, so now after we do this, I will have particles of H2O as my final unit, so I know my math is correct, and I just need to go through and punch it into my calculator. This part can give people some trouble using scientific notation, so make sure you practice it, make sure that you're arriving at the correct answer. If you need help, let me or one of your neighbors know. If you punch this into your calculator, you end up getting a result of 2.2 times 10 to the 24th parts water, or particles of water, and that would be your answer. So make sure that you can get that into your calculator. Now the second one is working backwards. So here we want to figure out how many moles there are in this big old number or parts of KCl. So 5.62 times 10 to the 25th. Whoa. Particles of KCl all over 1. My linkage was what? 1 mole equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. So that means 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles, oh my gosh, of KCl is equivalent to 1 mole of KCl. Do my units cancel? Yep, gone. I'm left with moles of KCl, which is what I wanted. So again, be careful with the scientific notation. Now it's in 2 places. This is where you can really mess things up since you're dividing the numbers. When you do it, you get a final result of 93.4 moles of KCl. And you're done. Make sure that you get the right answers and continue your practice. Good luck.